Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today, John and I are going to show you how to make homemade blueberry pup cups. And the best thing about this recipe is you can use it as a cold foam for your iced latte so you and your dog can have a coffee date at home. So we only need 3 simple ingredients to make homemade blueberry pup cups. So the first is we're going to use frozen blueberries. And these are such a superfood for your dog, you guys. If you're not feeding your dog blueberries daily, you should definitely start. Fresh or frozen works. Then we're going to use some coconut cream. And you just want to make sure that your coconut cream has been chilled in the fridge for at least 24 to 48 hours before beginning. This is similar to making vegan whipped cream, so it's the same thing. I really like the Let's Do Organic brand. I feel like it whips up really well. And then we're using a little bit of raw honey for sweetness. And you guys can leave out the honey if you want, but raw honey has great health benefits for your dog. It's antimicrobial, antibacterial, and it'll make it a little bit sweet, and your dog will absolutely love this. Plus, if you guys want to eat this too, you totally can. I love putting it on top of my coffee as like a cold foam. It's so delicious, so I love the addition of the honey. And then of course, we're going to need a blender to blend all of this up. So first, we're going to open our coconut cream and scoop out the heavy cream that's on top. Once you guys hit coconut water, you don't want to add the coconut water to the blender because that's not going to make it creamy, it's just going to make it watery. You guys can save the coconut water part and you can put it in the fridge, use it for smoothies, or you guys could even drink it. So see this heavy cream on top? This is what we want to use. Next, we're going to add in just a little bit of raw honey. And then we're going to add in half a cup of frozen blueberries. Now we're going to blend until smooth. So once it's nice and creamy, then it's ready. Oh my gosh, so delicious. And so you guys can add this to a little dish for your dog so they can easily get some licks. I like to add some fresh blueberries on top too. John knows his pup cup is ready and he can't wait. But he has to wait till I make my coffee. We're doing coffee date afternoon at home. Yeah, aren't we? So like I said, you can also use this as a cold foam on top of your iced latte. And now your dog can indulge in the best homemade blueberry pup cups. Oh yeah, you want some? There you go. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. And we also have John's favorite treats today because you have to have cookies when you go for coffee. And I even have a delicious iced blueberry latte. So skip the coffee shop and make this instead. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more homemade dog treat recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.